So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So, now let's do our assignment second, Sustainable Happiness, week second, assignment second. So, the first question is by 1992, world leader gather in Dash at the Earth Summit, the first United Nations conference that combined issue of environment and development. So, the option is India, London, USA, or Rio de Janeiro. So, the answer is let's check the answer. So the answer of our first question is by 1992 world leader gather in Rio de Janeiro. So the answer of first question is Rio de Janeiro. So option D is correct. Now let's go to the second question. Chapter UN 1993 of Agenda 21 is devoted to the role of education for sustainable development. So the option is 10, 18, 28 and 36. So the second question answer is Education for Sustainable Happiness, Chapter 36 of Agenda 21 is devoted to the role of education for sustainable development. So the option D is correct. 36. Now the third question is education aimed at happiness cannot be achieved by simple teaching about happiness. So let's check the answer of this question. So the answer of third question is education aimed to at happiness cannot be achieved by simply teaching about happiness. So the option of third question is A, true. Now the fourth question is DAS implements components of positive psychology in schools. A, positive education, psychological education, physical education, and secondary. So let's check the fourth question. Question fourth, positive education. Positive education implements component of positive psychology in school. So the answer of fourth question is A, positive education. Now, fifth question is within the school setting, children experience opportunities for dash. So these are the options. So let's check the answer. So question 5, question fifth answer. Within the school setting, children's experience opportunities for positive peer interaction, significant relationships with adults other than their parents, and the promotion of school social, emotional, and environmental learning. So the option of fifth question is D, all of the above. Now the sixth question is one of the main insight of dash literature is the importance of promoting nature connectedness that is tightly related to environmental behavior, environmental education, psychological education, teacher education, and botany education. So the answer of sixth question is one of the main insights of environmental education literature is the importance of promoting nature connectedness that is tightly related to environmental behavior. So the option of question 6 is A, environmental education. Now the question 7th is in the ex contra learning paradigm. X refer to dash. So experiential learning theories, extracurriculum learning theories, exemplary learning theories, and none of the above. So the option of seventh is experiential learning theories. Now the eighth question is the Bhutan's development thinking is based on the gross national happiness GNH happiness index that highlights test happiness. So hedonic, environmental, solitary, or collective. So let's check the answer of eighth question. So the eighth question answer is the Bhutanese development thinking is based on the gross national happiness GNH happiness index that highlights collective happiness. So the answer of question 8 is D, collective. Now the question ninth is dash education is a philosophy of higher education that integrates introspection and experiential learning into academic study. So the option is conditional, constructive, competitive, and contemplative. So the option of question ninth is these, and the answer of this question is contem contemplative education is a philosophy of higher education that integrates introspection and experiential learning into academic study. So the answer of question ninth is D, contemplative. Now the 10th question is happiness visioning focuses on improving seven specific domains of happiness. Which of the following is not one of them? Genetic structure, financial situation, personal values, or and last community and health. So the answer of 10th question is happiness visioning Happiness visioning focus on improving seven specific domains of happiness: family, relationship, financial situation, work, community and friends, health, personal freedom, and personal value. So the answer of question 10th is A, genetic structure. So let's submit the answer. So thank you guys for watching this video.